I have a dishwasher. I have a grey plastic box. We've got like a white coloured plastic box. We've got Devil in a blue dress, ex-rental, no tape inside obviously, with a cover.
I have a puffy case.
Disorganised crime, ex-rental, and the Dancer's Touch, whatever that is, dishwasher tablet. Now people have been saying put it on a cool wash, but I kind of think it needs a bit of a intensive wash, so we're going to try 70 degree. So see you in 2 hours 25. Yeah, that's cleaned up pretty nicely actually, I've got to say. That's a pretty good job on that one. This one, yeah, it's looking pretty clean. Looks fairly clean. Okay, sleeve hasn't really come out of it all that well. So it's nice and clean, extremely waterlogged. Disorganised crime. Yeah, I can't actually see whether the mould has gone. The label has not survived. They do appear to be mould free. So there we go, dishwashing your video cassettes and boxes. So results, even at high temperatures. Bye bye.